Hello children, welcome back to the Our Karnataka second lesson in history section. Children, my previous video I have discussed about natural resources, forest, wildlife sanctuary, bird sanctuary and national park. Children, today I am going to discuss the agriculture and growth of industry in Bengaluru division. Agriculture is an important occupation in Bengaluru division. This Bengaluru division has more dry land agriculture. The agriculture activities is completely dependent on rain in Bengaluru division except Shivamogga district. Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural, Chikkaballapura, Ramanagara, Kolar, Tumkuru, Chitradurga and Davanagere except Shivamogga district. All districts are more dryland agriculture. The agriculture activities of the farmers are completely dependent on rain except Shivamogga. Shivamogga district has a dense forest. Due to the dense forest, heavy rainfall will be there, and Shivamogga district has a well irrigated system. So because of this reason, Shivamogga is a well irrigated system. This division has sand mixed red soil and black soil. Sand mixed red soil is there in Bengaluru rural, Bengaluru urban, Shivamogga district and Tumkuru district. Black soil is there in Chitradurga, Ramanagara, Chikkaballapura, Davanagere and others districts are having black soil. And if you talk about the important crops of this division, important crops of this division are ragi, maize, paddy, and groundnuts, coconut, areca nut, cotton, and sugarcane. So these are all important crops of Bengaluru division. The farmers will grow the mulberry trees, mulberry which is a backbone of silk industry. In mulberry trees are grown in Brahmanagara district and Bengaluru rural district. The farmers of the Bengaluru division will grow the various types of the fruits like a sapota, papaya, jackfruit, orange, banana are grown in this division. And people will prepare various types of the items in Bengaluru division. So ragi and rice are major staple food of the people of Bengaluru division. Ragi and rice items are more consumed here in Bengaluru, and recently the people of the Bengaluru division started to eating chapati, the chapati made out of the wheat flour. And people of the Bengaluru division will prepare various types of the sweet items like payasa, holige, khichdi, shaungi and other sweet items during the festival time, only festival time. So this is about the sweet items of the people prepared by Bengaluru division. And the government of Karnataka established agriculture market in every taluk and every district headquarter. The farmers can directly sell their produce without agent. Without agent, farmers can directly sell their whatever they grow the produce, whatever they have grown the products, they can directly sell to the government. Government has also established granaries or warehouses in every district and taluk headquarter. What is use of the granaries and warehouses? Farmers can put their produces, their fruits, their items, whatever they have grown, they can put into the warehouses and granaries. If they put in warehouses and granaries, the produce will be fresh. Produce will be fresh. Fruits will be fresh. So because of this reason, government has established agriculture market and granaries or warehouses in every district and every taluk of Karnataka as well as the Bengaluru division. And very important part of this lesson is industry in Bengaluru division. What happened, children? After death of Tipu Sultan, the entire administration of the Mysore state went back to the Wadayar family after death of Tipu Sultan. So what happened? Krishnaraja Wadayar IV, he was a king of Mysuru. Under Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya was working as a Diwan. Diwan means a chief officer of the Mysore. And Sir M. Vishveshwaraya advised to Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV. What he advised? If we do not establish industry now, we can't attain the progress. In India, most of the people have given the priority to agriculture. But Vishveshwaraya never opposed agriculture, but Vishveshwaraya aimed to establishment of the industry in Bengaluru division. And because of this reason, as a result, what happened in Bengaluru division? Big industries have been established in Bengaluru, Bhadravati, Tumukuru, Shimoga, and other places. Bengaluru is an important industrial place in India. There is an iron and steel factory in Bhadravati of Shimoga district established in the 1923. This is steel and iron industries of the Bhadravati. This industry had been established by Mysuru state in 1923. So after death of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, government has renamed this industry Vishveshwaraya Iron and Steel Industry in Bhadravati. So kings of the Mysuru, they established a paper factory, paper production factory in Bhadravati, and first cement factory was established in Bhadravati. First cement factory of the state. First cement factory of the Karnataka was established in Bhadravati in year of 1936. And the Birla cement factory in Amasandra of Tumkuru district is there. Bangalore is known for the information technology and biotechnology. Information technology means what? The study or use of computers and telecommunications. I hope you're understanding. One more time I will repeat. The information technology means study or use of computers and telecommunication is called information technology. Biotechnology means what? Use or study, not and use or study of living parts such as the cells or bacteria in industry is called biotechnology industry. Such biotechnology industries are there in Bengaluru, as well as information technology industries we can see in Bengaluru. So industries are main source of the employment, main source of the job opportunities in Bengaluru division. So Karnataka is ranked second in exports of the garments. Garments means what? Garments means cloth items. Cloth items. Karnataka is ranked second rank, which has second rank the export of the garments in India. The government has established apparel park. Apparel park means what? Apparel park means textile park. Cloth items. Textile means cloth items park in cities like Doddaballapura, Anekal, to promote the production of the ready-made garments. Ready-made garments, ready-made cloth items we can see in the Doddaballapura and Anekal. And industries like aeronautical. Aeronautical means what? This is an art or science of manufacturing air flight. One more time I will repeat. Aeronautics means this is an art or science of making or manufacturing air flights is called aeronautical industry. Aeronautics, electronic information technology, biotechnology are active in Bengaluru, and some of the industries are public companies and many are private companies. Public companies are like HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, and private companies are there. Private companies are like Infosys, Wipro, Biocon. Some private companies are there in Bengaluru. So this is about agriculture and industries of Bengaluru division. In my next video, I will discuss about art, literature and folklore theatre and dance of the Bengaluru division. Thank you, children.